So, how about your opinion for this party?
Oh no, I have no party right now because I'm independent citizen.
So have you make the decision that which one you want to choose?
I only come here only to show myself that I'm one of an independent citizen.
Really good.
Eh?
So how about your opinion for this Democratic Party today and concern
Oh,
about the
Democratic Party. Right now, let's by Yudhoyono. Yudhoyono is a true president right now.
really?
He he have no power. How how to defend our territory?
So how about your opinion for this president in this election in the future?
Oh, in future election he must be
Just them.
no he must be exit from Democrat Party because it is the bad
Really worst.
leader.
Suppose maybe you can give your reason, something like a case or a problem that you will face with the president right now occurred. Which one the problem that
In our country right now there are so many corruptors. So I can't believe I can't believe the leader, the state leader right now, included our president Yudhoyono. He is the stupid president.
really?
Nothing. Comment, but nothing.